Hello, welcome back to the channel, Meeks Motorsports. I have found another Craigslist mini bike. Now this one is a Doodlebug, Baja Dirt Bug DB30. It's got the original 97cc engine on it. It does turn over. There's no gas tank on it. There's no air cleaner box. But besides that, everything else looks to be in pretty good shape. The kill switch could be replaced, which I have another one. The throttle is here. It is really stretched out though. You can see it's buried in there. It is really stretched out. I got to redo that. Some of the springs are missing also. Everything works. I've had it running and riding. Some brake clean. The chain is in terrible shape. I mean, this chain has seen better days. You have to get a chain for it. I haven't got to ride this one yet. I needed a gas tank for it. But from what I've done off of brake clean, this thing has plenty of power left in it still. Everything seems to be in good shape. The frame itself is blue. It's a little faded. I got this bike when I was in Kentucky and drove over to West Virginia to go get it. So not much, kind of just an update video like the first Coleman bike I had off Craigslist, but this one is a Doodlebug, kind of the same thing, really the same thing. It's got the VIN number on it still. Like I said, it still cranks over. It ain't gonna start, but it still cranks over. It's fine, so it's not locked up. Tires are in good shape, brakes are in good shape. It's got all the plastic still in it. It's got one small tear, not a big deal, maybe two small tears. Cable driven brakes. Mechanical style, when you pull it, it twists in and compresses. Factory carburetor, factory everything. Needs two mounts for the gas tank right here, and then should be good to go. I already looked them up, maybe get a new filler neck. This one has seen better days. I don't know if this thing sat outside. Got it from a kid. He was pretty cool about it. He didn't know much about it, didn't know how to fix it. Probably got to adjust the throttle a little bit because the cable's pretty stretched. But this bike I might end up keeping. I'm not quite sure yet. I already looked up some gas tanks for about 20 bucks off of Go Power Sports. Or I could get one of them aftermarket gas tanks, them silver ones with the cap on top. But those are about 100 bucks, and I don't quite want to spend 100 bucks on this one quite yet. I might get the $20 one, put it back on top, get some new bolts for it, put some gas to it, see how it rides. I got this bike cheaper than I got the Coleman for. This bike only cost me $100. There's the neighborhood of horses. So this bike was cheaper than the Coleman. It needs, I mean, it doesn't really need any work as far as I know of, besides the gas tank. The Coleman needed a wheel bearing, which that's already taken care of. So besides that, I don't know. It's got a clutch on it. I'm not sure what style. I'm assuming it's got the factory OEM because the cover is still on it. Probably just need to take a, it's a little, I don't know if it's been painted or the powder coat's wearing off or what have it. But my first Doodlebug, the red one that's got the Hemi on it, or not the non-Hemi, the 212, it's a straight frame. I wanted a bent frame to kind of have a collection. I don't know if I'll keep this one blue or if I'll change it to a red and match the handlebars, maybe bend the handlebars up some. But if you guys are liking seeing these mini bike projects, I can get some more and keep making videos on them. I like doing them. It's something to do, get me out of the house, get me outside. It's a nice day here, November. It's almost 65 degrees in Michigan. So I've kind of been tinkering with them, getting them up and running, kind of figuring out what they need. This one needs a gas tank. Like I said, it's about 20 bucks, so probably end up ordering that maybe next paycheck or something. Oh, 97. Worst comes to worst, I know I said it about the Coleman. Get a 212 for it. That's about 120 bucks. That Coleman engine is pretty shot. Check out the other video about that Coleman update with the new wheel bearings. So besides that, I'm going to put this thing away. Probably see you on the next one. Hopefully I get to gas tank here soon, or figure something out with it. Maybe put a throttle spring, or I'm sorry, a throttle cable, or just cut this and extend it out and do all that stuff with it. I have a new kill switch for it. The kill switch on this one does not work. I don't know if it just doesn't work or if it's wired up wrong. Maybe here's the original. Maybe take this cover off and see how it's wired up. But like I said, tires are in good shape. I have new tires for it if I really want to put them on. I don't think I will. It's got the nice flip down steps. They stay up locked in place. Stay up locked in place when you don't want them, and when you want them, lock them up. So that's it for the Craigslist Doodlebug find. Thanks for checking it out. Subscribe to see more. Leave a comment of what you want to see. If you have any ideas of what I should do with these, or what I can do to maybe make these things better, I'd appreciate it. Thank you.